Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another quick and easy recipe for you guys for these meringue cookies, and they have mini chocolate chips inside. I'm telling you now, they taste exactly like hot chocolate with marshmallows. They're so light and airy. They're moist on the inside. They weigh almost nothing. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 new recipes every single week. They're always quick and easy. They always have a fun twist to them. Now let's get started. Starting off with 4 egg whites at room temperature. Now I'm gonna whisk these on high with 3/4 a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, we're adding 3 tablespoons of meringue powder. You don't necessarily need this meringue powder. You could substitute it for cream of tartar, but I just love the texture that these give the meringues. I also have a French macarons video. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll leave the link down below. I added 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, and these are gonna be whisked until they have pretty firm peaks. They're a little bit soft. It should look just like this. So I'm gonna spoon this into a pastry bag, cut the tip fairly big, and just pipe these on a silicone or parchment lined baking sheet. Now, they don't have to be too far apart. They don't necessarily spread too much while baking. I'm gonna top these with some more of those mini chocolate chips. And these are gonna go into the oven. It's preheated at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. And they're going to dry out, and that's how you know that they're gonna be ready. These cookies are just amazing. They taste exactly like marshmallows with little bits of chocolate inside. Everyone is guaranteed to love them. Don't forget that all the recipes to all my videos are always listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for other sweet treats. Bye.